In the previous class, we have learned about the generations of computer. The first generation of computer used vacuum tubes. The second generation computers had transistors. The third generations of computer had integrated circuits, and the fourth generation of computers used microprocessors. Artificial intelligence was used in the fifth generation of computers. The computers were compared according to their characteristics like their reliability, storage capacity, calculating speed. So children, today we are going to discuss about the characteristics of computer. We will also discuss about the limitations of computer. Characteristics of computer. Computer system is better than human beings as it possesses the following capabilities. Speed. Speed is the amount of time taken by the computer in completing the task. A computer works very fast and can do large number of calculations quickly as compared to human being. Computers are classified on the basis of instructions that they can execute per second. Characteristics of computer. Storage. Storage is the capacity of a computer to store data. A computer can store large amount of data which can be used anytime. You can store data into a computer through various external and internal devices such as hard disk, CDs, DVDs, pen drive, random access memory, read-only memory. A hard disk can store maximum amount of data among these devices. Accuracy. Accuracy refers to the degree of perfection of operations performed by a computer. Computers do not commit errors and are capable of handling complex instructions accurately. If the data fed into the computer is wrong, it may produce an inaccurate result. But most of the time, the data that we feed to the computer is always correct and the result is always accurate. That means correct. Reliability. Reliability refers to the quality of a computer system to perform consistently well and complete its allotted duties on time without experiencing any system failure. In case of any failure in the computer system, there is a provision for immediate backup of information programs. That means we can take the programs backups and we can use it. So this makes the system more reliable. Versatility. A computer can be used in almost all fields such as education, science and technology, business, finance, accounts, communication, etc. Diligence. Computers are non-respondent to human factors like fatigue, tiredness, and boredom. It can work repeatedly and efficiently for long period of time. Multitasking. A computer can do many tasks at the same time. For instance, one can enjoy listening to music while typing in MS Word or while working on any other package. Limitations of computer. A computer cannot think and take decisions on its own. That means if there is any error, it cannot take any other action. No intelligence. Unlike human beings, a computer has no IQ. It needs instructions at every step. Dependence on power. A computer is an electronic machine, thus, it depends on power. That makes it costly. And if there is no electricity, then the computer is not going to work. I hope you all are able to understand the characteristics of computer now. The characteristics of computer are accuracy, diligence, speed, storage, versatility, reliability, and multitasking. On the other hand, a computer also has some limitations, like incapability to think. That means it is incapable to take any action. It has no intelligence of its own. You have to give the instruction to the computer. And dependence on power is also one of the greatest limitation. If you don't have electricity, if you don't have power, then your computer is not going to work. So I hope this chapter is clear to you now. You have to write the assignment in your notebook. You have to write the characteristics of computer and the limitations of computer in your notebook. So that is all for today. We will meet again in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye.